Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to this new video and update Luna Classic. Hope you're all doing great, even in these market circumstances, which have not been very bullish, as most of you know. But still, hope you're doing good. Hope you have had a great week. You're looking forward to the weekend. In this video, I wanted to talk about Luna Classic. What's going on? Are we going to drop down even lower? Most of this bearish momentum, I think, is still caused by the market. Usually, what used to be the case is that Luna Classic was not that correlated with the market. But right now, I mean, if you put the chart of Luna Classic on the chart of other altcoins, they're just moving similarly. Bitcoin's dropping down a lot as well, mainly caused by, well, a bunch of bearish fundamentals. We're not going to go into depth about that, but just in general, the economic situation in the world. Regulation, the White House yesterday with a new taxation rule, all Silvergate, all of those things. So we've been pretty bearish, and the main question is when are we going to find support? And firstly, that does still depend on Bitcoin. Today we still have some events that will cause volatility for Bitcoin, like the unemployment rate and the non-farm payrolls from the US. It's just going to make Bitcoin move. All right, and if it's actually if the result of this is bearish, excuse me, hopefully this is not too loud, but if the result of that is bearish, Bitcoin is going to drop down even more, down to like 19,000. And I'm not sure how Luna Classic is going to hold up. I really hope that this sound is not too loud. There's some sort of a truck coming around, cleaning the streets, and it seems like it's parked outside of my window or something, because it's very, very loud. But alright, so the big support level we're nearing and we're already at is this level between ultimately 11,000 and 12,000. It's a strong support. It's also the last support before getting back into the levels we were at in July and August. So the levels before the whole burn tax rally, which is pretty crazy. I mean, I still remember when we were up here, people were calling for like 1 cent and for 0.1 cents. And look where we are right now. Yeah, it's pretty crazy sometimes. But this is the last support. It's a strong support. I expect it to hold. Even if Bitcoin falls down lower because of the economic events and news today, I expect this to hold. The big question though is where are we going to hold it? It's quite a big level, ranging all the way from 12,000 to 11,000. So for now, I am going to say that we're going to drop down a little bit lower into that area. If we historically analyze the area, you can identify a main support level within it, I think at least, and that's this level. Maybe drag it up a little bit towards like this, around 11,500. So practically in the middle of it. So what I think is going to happen is I think we're going to drop down there, and I think we are going to hold that level as a support. Now, if Bitcoin can actually hold like 19,000 or 19,700 like consistently, so that we're still at that level at the beginning of next week, then we're probably also going to get some bullish momentum from that. And for Luna Classic, that can mean that we can spike up towards like 13,000. Getting above there though, I think it's going to be hard. I think to get above there, you would need some sort of a Luna Classic USDC repack proposal, and I don't see that coming in the near future. But altogether, as I said, I do think we will hold this, and therefore I also do think we can get some sort of bullish momentum from here, probably next week. But yeah, that's what I think for now. In the future, we could still drop down to 10,000. I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, this is what I think is going to happen in the short-term future. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.